So hey everyone, today we are going to start with a new lesson, and the lesson's name is polynomials. Okay, so before we define what exactly is a polynomial, we have to first of all understand this few important terminologies. First is numerical, or you can say constant. The better word is constant. So what is a constant? A constant is any particular value which does not have different values, it just has a singular value. Okay, so any value which has singular value. Okay, better to say any data which has singular value rather than any value which has singular value. Better to say any data which has singular value, that is a constant. Okay, all right. Then we have another terminology which is variable. So constant, for example, if you want to give an example of constant, I can say any particular numerical, let's say 5 or 1 by 2 or -2, etc. All of these are examples of constant. Any numerical you pick, this is a constant. Now variable on the other hand is any data which has multiple values based on the requirement. Now requirement as in, like, let's say whenever we are getting a question, we assume that particular output as like a with the help of a variable, right? So suppose they are asking us to find the number of anything, number of pens, number of notebooks or anything like that. So we generally assign that with a particular variable, right? Let's say x or let's say y, something like that. So that is variable. So example, obviously the alphabets that we use, x, y, z, etc. These are variables. Now there is another thing which is known as term. Now what is a term? So term is any constant or any variable or a combination. Now by combination I mean it will be either multiplication or division. A combination of both is a term. Okay, so a term can be a singular constant also, like let's say anything like 5 or -2. These are also terms. At the same time, let's say anything like x or y, these are also terms. Or like a combination like 2x or xy, it can be a combination of two variables also, or it can also be a combination of singular variable also, okay, etc. So all of these are examples of terms, right? So three things we have learned: constant, variable, term. Now the fourth one is a combination of all of this, which we call as an algebraic expression. A combination of all of this, which we call as an algebraic expression. Now what is an algebraic expression? So it is a group of terms put together is an algebraic expression. So whenever all these terms are put together, we call it an algebraic expression. For example, let's say x square minus x plus 5, or x to the power negative 2 plus y to the power negative 2 equal to 5, etc. All of these are examples of algebraic expression. Okay, so far we have learned about constant, variable, term, algebraic expression. Now where is polynomial? So polynomial is actually a part of the algebraic expression. Algebraic expression is the broader term. Polynomial is like a little part of that. Now polynomial has some restrictions for which not every algebraic expression is a polynomial, but every single polynomial is an algebraic expression. So what are the restrictions of the polynomial? Let us understand. So first restriction in a polynomial is that algebraic expression or I'm just directly writing it, no need to write in points, I'm directly writing it. So algebraic expression where the exponents of the variables are positive integers constitute a polynomial. Algebraic expressions where the exponents of variables are positive integers constitute a polynomial. Okay, so this is the definition of polynomial. The restriction is that the powers of the variables, okay, whatever variable you choose, the power of that variable must be a proper positive integer, not even a negative integer, and fraction decimals are out of question. Okay, so it has to be a positive integer, so that makes a polynomial. So this is the definition of polynomial. Okay, now we will know about the classification of polynomial. So on the next video, I'm going to discuss what are the different classifications of polynomial and how do we identify the categories. What are the examples of this? We are going to learn on the next video. So until then, take care.